Hi everyone, it's Angela. Good morning, good afternoon from wherever you're watching me from. Today I'm going to be cooking pizza, homemade pizza. In my bowl, I have flour, plain flour, 1.5 kg flour, 1 kilo 500 gram. And I'm going to be using yeast, 2-pack yeast. In 1 pack is 7 gram, and I'm using 2. And this is the yeast already diluted in water. And I'm going to be using salt to taste for my dough to be tasty. And cheese, of course, for pizza, cheese is needed. Olive oil. I need sausage. And I need some onions, red and white onions. And some canned tomato. I'm using canned tomato. Garlic and ginger. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic for my tomato sauce, and pizza spice. And I need some tomato puree, tomato paste, as some of you will say. Room temperature water. Now I pour the yeast mixture in the flour, add salt to it. Then I add water to mix it. Mix my dough. Now my dough is completely mixed, and I add olive oil so that it don't get sticky. So I cover it up to rest for 2 hours and rise. As that is busy, I'm going to slice what I'm going to be using for the tomato sauce. I forgot to tell you about the courgette. I'm going to be using a little bit of courgette in it. And that is my tomato that I blended. That's the courgette. I'm going to slice it. Now I'm adding olive oil to my pan. I'm going to start cooking the sauce now. I like cooking my pizza with olive oil because of that olive oil aroma and tasty for pizza. I'm gonna be frying my onion. I let the olive oil heat a little bit. Then I fry my onion for maybe 1 minute, not much. Depends on how high your heat is. Now I'm adding the sliced courgette to it. Now I'm going to add the tomato, the blend tomato, garlic, ginger. Everything goes in the pot. Yeah. I'm gonna stir. Add some tomato puree. I'm gonna stir mix it together. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like my page on Facebook. Thank you so much for doing so. And if you've already subscribed, God bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate. Thank you well, as we say in Holland. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you well. So now I'm going to add pizza spice. This pizza spice will give that pizza aroma, that pizza taste. The whole house will be smelly pizza when the pizza is in the oven. So now, as my sauce is cooking, I'm going to cook it for maybe 5 minutes. So I'm slicing the cheese already sliced and the sausage already sliced. So my sauce is busy cooking. The dough is already rising. I already checked the dough. It's completely rised. Look at that sauce. It's yummy already. Lekker, 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 lekker. Yeah, my dough is big, massive. So I just decided to go in the fridge and take some prawn to make for myself. So now I'm going to spread the dough. Just cut a little bit, depends on how flat you want it to be, how thin you want it to be on your pizza plate. You just spread it on your pizza plate. Yeah. Now I'm using fork to put some holes on it so that it can cook through easily. Looks good already. My children can't wait for pizza to be ready. Yeah. Pizza is so easy to prepare. Try it at home. You will see I'm not lying to you. It's so easy. See, that is my tomato sauce. Just going to spread it. You can be generous with it if you like a lot of sauce in your pizza. You can also put a little bit, depends on how you like it. You can put as much vegetable as you want. Whatever you want. You can add fish, you can spread fish, you can spread vegetable, anything you like on top of your pizza. Now I'm spreading cheese on it. I'm gonna add the sausage, already sliced sausage. I just spread a little bit on it because my children don't like it too much. Just little, just the way they like it. You can add as much as you want. Add a little bit of onion. That is it. Then spread more cheese. Little bit more. Looks yummy already. That's in the oven. And now I'm busy with another batch before that one is ready. Then yeah, the second batch is ready. I'm cooking it in the oven in 200 degrees centigrade. Here in Holland, our oven is in centigrades, but in some countries it's in Fahrenheit. I don't know how to calculate that unless I look it up. My pizza is almost ready. Now I bring them out. I'm going to spread more cheese on it. Then it goes back in the oven for maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes, thereabout. Then it's ready. Now it's going back. Yeah. Now my pizza is ready. You can see how good it looks. Looks so good. Looks yummy. See? Wow. My children love it when I make pizza for them. So now, the big girl, I babysitted my grandchild, my granddaughter this weekend. So now she wants to make her own pizza herself. She's so excited. Oh my God, do my Rosie. Yeah. It's so fun to come to grandma. Now I'm going to spread some tomato on it. I hope she eats from it. Hey, this girl and her wahala. Okay, now everybody got their own pizza. Now this is for me. Thank you so much for joining me. If you've not subscribed, please do so. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. Like my page. Thank you, Belle.